Good afternoon. Welcome to our home.
Hey, come on in.
We moved into this home, our new home in Minnetonka, about 7 months ago, and it had quite a bit of what we wanted in a home, but what it didn't have was a gas fireplace.
So we looked online and All Seasons Fireplace just kept popping up on the top everywhere with the best reviews and lots of mentions of Joe, the owner of the store. It usually takes us a long time to decide on things that are as big a purchase as a fireplace, but after we talked to him, we just decided in no time. Joe showed us several options, and one of them was this extraordinaire fireplace. I love the matte finish on the black paint. There were beautiful options for the stuff that we could put inside, like put the birch log in there and the reflective black surface in the back. There's a light too that you can adjust. The remote control is amazing. We can choose the fan, the level of the blower. So I get overheated, I could just turn the blower off and still enjoy how beautiful the flames look and everything. It looks beautiful and it throws all the heat that we need.
This room, the living room itself, is kind of the centerpiece of the home in our evenings. We'll have dinner out here and we'll talk, we'll have a drink and a glass of wine. You know, we all really love it here where the cats will sit down and cuddle up together by the fire.
We're also proud when people come over and notice our beautiful fireplace and ask us where we got it or if it was here when we moved. We say, no, we got it at All Seasons Fireplace. And, you know, happy to tell anybody who's interested that we would go there again if we need another fireplace.
Ask for Joe.